This video explains how to buy shares of Brightstar Resources Ltd. Brightstar Resources Ltd is an Australian resources company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker BTR.ASX. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a broker account. Using eToro as an example, register, verify your account with an identity document, and add funds so you can make purchases. Open the platform search and type the ticker BTR.ASX. Select the result that matches Brightstar Resources Ltd to access the correct stock listing. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart. Confirm the company name, market, and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link and more information, check the description below.